Hello again, and welcome to Lesson 2 of your Fast Italian course. 41 Italian Lessons to Speak in 2 Weeks. Today, we're going to learn how to express basic needs and possessions in Italian. You'll learn how to say things like, I'm cold, I'm hungry, I have a car, and much more. The everyday essentials. We'll start with useful expressions, look at a few key grammar points, and practice with short exercises. Let's jump right in. In Italian, when you talk about things you feel or have, you often use the verb avere, to have. You say, oh, I have, even for things where in English we might use I am. Here are some essential expressions. I am cold. Ho freddo. I am hot. Ho caldo. I am thirsty. Ho sete. I am hungry. Ho fame. I am sleepy. Ho sonno. I am in a hurry. Literally, I have hurry. Ho fretta. I trust. Literally, I have trust. Ho fiducia. I am afraid. Ho paura. I am wrong. Ho torto. I am right. Ho ragione. I have the address. Ho l'indirizzo. I have some change. Ho gli spiccioli. I have a son and a daughter. Ho un figlio e una figlia. I have a big car. Ho una macchina grande. I have a beautiful room. Ho una bella camera. I have an interesting job. Ho un lavoro interessante. I have 2 months of vacation. Ho 2 mesi di vacanza. I am 25 years old. Ho 25 anni. I have a lot of time. Ho molto tempo. I have little time. Ho poco tempo. Now, let's look at how these expressions are built. Ho, I have, comes from the verb avere. Here's the conjugation. Io ho. I have. Tu hai. You have. Informal. Lui ha. He has. Lei ha. She has. Noi abbiamo. We have. Voi avete. You have. Plural. Loro hanno. They have. Ho means I have. But in Italian, you use it also for physical sensations like cold, thirst, or hunger. In English, we say I am thirsty, but in Italian, it's I have thirst. Ho sete. In Italian, the letter H is always silent. So when you say ho, I, ha, or hanno, you do not pronounce the H, just say ho, I, ha, and hanno. Ho, I, ha, and hanno are almost the only words in Italian that start with an H. Otherwise, Italian rarely uses the letter H at all. E, with an accent, means is. It comes from essere, to be. E, without an accent, means and. Pay attention to pronunciation. E is pronounced like e. E is pronounced more sharply, like e. In Italian, articles depend on gender and the first letter of the following noun, un, before most masculine nouns. Un ristorante. a restaurant. Uno. Before masculine nouns, starting with S plus consonant, Z, PS, GN, etc. Uno spettacolo, a show. Uno zio, an uncle. Una. Before feminine nouns. Una chiave, a key. Un. Before feminine nouns, starting with a vowel. Un'amica, a female friend. You'll often combine avere with quantities. Examples: molto, a lot, very much. Abbiamo molto denaro. We have a lot of money. Poco, little. Hai poco tempo. You have little time. Abbastanza, enough. Abbiamo abbastanza soldi? Do we have enough money? Time to practice. I'll show you a sentence. Pause and guess. Then, we'll check the answer together. Ha fame. He is hungry. Hanno ragione. They are right. Abbiamo l'indirizzo? Do we have the address? Ha torto. He is wrong. Hai due figli e due figlie. You have two sons and two daughters. Ha un lavoro interessante. He has an interesting job. Avete una macchina molto grande. You have a very big car. Ho paura di avere freddo. I'm afraid of getting cold. Avete molto denaro. You have a lot of money. Ha poco tempo. He has little time. They have a very big car. Hanno una macchina molto grande. We are sleepy. Abbiamo sonno. Does he have a lot of work? Ha molto lavoro? I have some change. Ho gli spiccioli. Do you have the address? Hai l'indirizzo? Work. Lavoro. Right, as in to be right. Ragione. Hurry. Fretta. Wrong. torto, room, camera, daughter, figlia, thirst, sete, sleepiness, sonno, enough, abbastanza, change, money, spiccioli, car, macchina, trust, fiducia, heat, caldo, friend, amico, male, amica, female, day. Giorno. Great work today. Now you can talk about your feelings, possessions, and basic needs, all in Italian. In the next lesson, we'll build even more everyday sentences to help you communicate easily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and move on to Lesson 3 to keep building your Italian fluency. See you soon.